Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will see installation of Termux and Hacker's keyboard from Play Store. Open Play Store. Type Termux. You will find Termux app. This app requires Android OS version 5 and above. Click on Install. This will install Termux app on your phone. After completion, click on Open. This is the terminal of Termux application. Here you can see some basic commands. To search package, use command pkg search. Here query is package name. To install new package, use command pkg install and package name. To upgrade package, use command pkg upgrade. To get more information, use command pkg help. Now we have installed Termux application on Android device. Next, we will install Hacker's keyboard. Hacker keyboard is an alternative input method on Android that provides advanced inputs much like desktop keyboard. To install it, go to Play Store. Type Hacker's keyboard and install it. After installing, open it and click on Enable Keyboard. You will see many options here. Scroll down. You will find Hacker Keyboard. Enable it. Now come back and set input type as Hacker's Keyboard. Now the keyboard is ready to use. It has all the functionalities which are present on desktop keyboard. We will open Termux app. You can see the new keyboard. That's it.